Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexander Zgas, and today I'm back again with another banger. Today we are reviewing Curiosity Anon, which is a project that really redefines how you interact with Ethereum. They have a lot of cool features and their token is also on the rise. It has a lot of potential, so that's why I decided to cover them today, guys. So before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, fellas. So hashtag CA redefine how users interact with Ethereum, personal navigator for the digital frontier. So they have three cool features and products. First of them being Curiosity TX, which can basically revolutionize your transaction experience with a lightning fast private router, so you can enjoy the speed, add a touch of personality with gifts and messages, which is also cool. And well, this is making the transactions of CA truly one of a kind, because you can sort of send a message with the transaction, for example. It could be even cool for, you know, some businesses, or simply if you send money for some service and stuff like that. Then you have Curiosity Crowd, which empower your projects and ideas with Curiosity Crowd, a fee-free crowdfunding platform on the Ethereum blockchain. Backing innovation has never been that cost-effective and straightforward, guys. And then they have Curiosity DEX. You can stay ahead in the crypto game with Curiosity DEX, an inbuilt decentralized exchange platform that outpaces competitors. Fast rates, secure transactions, user-friendly interface, a real game changer, guys. So let's run it through the website. Let's see what they have on the website. Then we will obviously talk about the price potential and all of that. It is built, as you can see, on Ethereum, and Ethereum currently is just full sending, so this also is very good for the project, because it can definitely have a lot of pace because of the Ethereum situation right now. Okay, so let's get right into it. Transform Ethereum interaction with a new user experience paradigm. Explore our comprehensive suite of Ethereum interaction tools, offering diverse and efficient avenues for seamless engagement with the blockchain. Alrighty, sounds good to me, guys. So basically, we can see some insights here as well. As you can see, the vision, Curiosity Anon, a groundbreaking project at the intersection of speed, privacy, and user experience, offering a suite of utilities designed for Ethereum. Project overview. Project comprises 3 distinctive utilities, each tailored to cater to specific pain points within the current ecosystem. So this is the first one, as you can see, which I explained to you. Then you have the crowd, which I also explained, and the DEX. Okay, so it also has like little descriptions here, but I obviously gave you a little longer one, so let's not read it out. They also have like their key points of their project, so backed only by crypto, 525 tax, security audits, redefine Ethereum, expect the unexpected, resistance to censorship, join the Curiosity, open source, full transparency. Every step in CA is user-friendly. First of all, it's easy to use. You can effortlessly engage with all functionalities through a streamlined interface for seamless interaction. Then you can configure it, simplify interaction with easy utility configuration for a seamless experience, integrate our utilities seamlessly integrate with Ethereum with upcoming token integration for added functionality, and use for free CA utilities. Enjoy free usage, only pay for blockchain gas fees, ensuring cost-effective and efficient transactions. Be different, be unique. Empowering you through cryptocurrency, Curiosity TX, revolutionize your transaction experience with a lightning fast private router. So basically, this is what I explain to you. You have a full white paper here. If you want to go ahead and read it out, you can click this button, as I just did, and it will redirect you to this Gitbook. You always you guys know that I always like Gitbook white papers because they are very easy to go through, and you have all the explanation, you have all the stuff regarding the project, you have the roadmap. The roadmap is pretty cool and extensive here, which I really like. So their community building, as you can see, Q1, Curiosity TX beta release, DEX development as well in Q2 of 2024, and as you can see, this project is dating back to 2023, even to the beginning, so they have been working on it in the background and they're really doing a good job on developing this. So yeah, I will link the white paper down below so you can go through it also. Future of possibilities. So yeah, they have a lot of cool things, as I said. The DEX itself is very nice. I wonder how it will turn out. If it will have, you know, some cooler features than major DEXs such as Uniswap, then it can definitely be a good competitor to Uniswap, for example. Effective way of interact with Ethereum, explore the intricate realm of crypto utilities designed to facilitate your engagement with the Ethereum ecosystem. If you hit buy now, it will redirect you guys to DEX screener, which I have pulled up right here. And as you can see, the price action is very nice if you think about it. Obviously you gotta look at the charts more like that instead of like this, because this might look, you know, a little off, but you just gotta zoom it out a little bit, and then you can see some real trading here. So as you can see, so far so good. It's going up nice and steadily, and it looks like every single smaller or bigger dip is being eaten up by the community, so they definitely have a strong floor as well. Current market cap, guys, is just 876,000, so you have another early gem from me today, okay? Another early gem, guys. 876,000 market cap easily leaves this at 10x potential or even more, okay? And of course, besides that, their liquidity is locked, as you can see, 135,000 locked liquidity, so this could really go parabolic, to be honest. It has a nice background, it has cool features as well, strong community, really good price floor, as you can see, so it definitely does have the potential. And remember that it's built on ERC20, which right now is just straight up on fire. CA is more than a project, it is a collaborative effort driven by the collective wisdom. As we progress through the phases of development, we remain agile and responsive to the ever-changing landscape of blockchain technology. The future holds the promise of full product launches, ecosystem integrations, and a thriving community that continues to push the boundaries. So yeah, basically that's it when it comes to their website, guys. You can let me know what you think about them, but I really do think that they honestly have the potential to easily achieve like 10-15x during this. I think we can call it bull run easily, okay? But yeah, it looks very promising, guys. Join the Telegram, they have a nice community here, so if you want to integrate and stay in touch with all the news, then definitely join the Telegram as well as their Twitter, okay? Because their Twitter also has a lot of cool informations, which you should definitely be aware of. And they also have a nice theming here of the whole project. I really like the branding and all, and you can see that their Twitter account even has joined July 2008, which is kinda, you know, kinda cool, okay, kinda mysterious. So yeah, you can go ahead and explore the project, guys. Let me know what you think and whether you will buy some tokens or no. And that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.